What's up, folks? So we are in week 2 of our Daniel fast. Definitely been grateful for all that's been happening so far. The Lord's really been doing a work within us, and we've still been enjoying some of our yellow bell pepper juice that we made last week. If you want to see how we made that or anything else that we made and ate last week, we're putting the link up in the cards right now as well as in the description below so that you can check that out. And really the reason why we're sharing all of this, for one, is just to be transparent, and then second, it's to give some ideas maybe to those of you all out there who might be doing the Daniel fast, or maybe you're thinking about doing it in the future. All right, so here is what we are about to make to kick off week 8. So all of these supplies here are for a soup. This soup is gonna have sweet potatoes, it's gonna have okra, butter beans, also got corn, diced fire roasted tomatoes. I'm gonna start it off with a little mirepoix that you see here. And then, yeah, we're just gonna let it simmer on down. It's funny because, it's actually a little chilly right now, even here in sunny South Florida. So we figured this will be a quick, easy meal to get plenty of veggies in and also to warm us up a bit. Boy, that's some good soup right there, y'all. It reminds me of home. Just a good old cold winter day. This was the kind of soup my dad used to make. I think he would be proud of this right now. D. Lee would be proud. Once again, your Daniel fast does not have to be boring. It don't. Man, this is the spot. All right, day 9. It's a little glimpse at breakfast. Adrian's got her very nice bowl of oatmeal. Nice colors with the blueberries and strawberries, the hemp seeds, the pumpkin seeds. And she's got a little bit of that date preserve in there. Almost out and by now. That's looking real good, baby. Real good. And then for me, I am doing some of our oat nut protein bars that we made during week 1 with some fresh blueberries. Mine doesn't look quite as pretty as Wonder Woman's, but hey, still filling. These bars are actually quite filling, by the way. So yeah, again, take a look at the week 1 video to see how we made these. All right, y'all. So Wonder Woman just came out of left field with a nice surprise for a good vegan snack for us to have. This is her famous popcorn, stove popcorn, not microwave popcorn. This is like the real deal, cooked in a cast iron skillet. It's seasoned with nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt. So it's legit. It's still within the frame of the Daniel fast. Wonder Woman, what was that you just said about smoked paprika?
Whoever discovered or made smoked paprika, I bless them in the name of Jesus.
Oh man.
It's so good.
She said she blessed them in the name of the one who was and is,
It's so
and is to
good.
come. That's real.
Gotta
That's
give
real,
genuine
y'all.
thanks
Hey,
where thanks is due.
I'm grateful for smoked paprika too. We just chopping it up. This is what we do. Making light. Enjoying the moment. You gotta enjoy the moment. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I'm here at the grocery store making another quick run, picking up a few items. So I've been trying to look for a cereal or granola just to expand our breakfast options for the week, and it's pretty hard to find those that don't have any added sugar, as you could imagine. But wanted to show you all this one that I found right here by Cascadian Farms. So this is a cinnamon apple granola that has no added sugar. It's actually sweetened with date powder, as you can see right here. And it is actually the same as this cereal that we've actually gotten before. This one's also sweetened with date powder. So yeah, figure we will give this granola one a try and see what it is like. All right, y'all, day 11, and I'm actually about to go into the office early this morning because we have some research trials that we have to do. Just want to show you all what I got prepped for today. Got our soup that we made, gonna have this for lunch. And then I'm gonna have an apple right now as the first part of my breakfast. And then for later, I have our oat and nut protein bars. And then of course, got my canteen of water on deck. Always gotta have that. I got Psalm 103 on my mind this morning. I'm definitely grateful. So yeah, let's get it. Dal Tadka, anyone? Got our red lentils. Lots of seasonings. Oh yeah. Let's get it. We got happy plates, black bean and plantain bowls. Let's make some juice.